Hi everyone, welcome back to another Chanel review. In today's video, we're going to have a closer look at Chanel hand cream. Shaped like a pebble, it is meant to fit perfectly in the palm of the hand without slipping after application. With its two main ingredients, it's promising to provide moisturizing and brightening veil without sticky residue. So we have regenerating and brightening sweet auras that protects the skin barrier and helps to diminish the appearance of dark spots, and hydrating and softening May Rose wax that leaves a moisturizing protective veil on skin for lasting benefits. Now let's see how it really works on my skin. So the texture is really light and it does absorb really quickly and leaves my skin visibly softer, and the smell is amazing. The only downside I could find is the price point, as there are many other brands that offer similar benefits for the fraction of the price. However, I love delicate rosy scent and the fast absorbing formula that doesn't leave my hands greasy, and I would definitely recommend this as a perfect hand cream for summertime. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.